It's a beautiful day here in Westbrook, Connecticut, and it's a great day for me to show you this Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This 17 Montauk is powered by a Mercury 115 horsepower. This boat is equipped with the 4.5 seating package, which gets you 2 extra seats on each side of the engine. Moving forward to the leaning post, this is adjustable to fit your needs and your comfort. Not only does it do that, but we also have a large storage compartment under it as well. It's a good place to put life jackets, lines, fenders, whatever you need to get out of the way. It's a great spot for that. Coming up to the console, we have a Mercury Vessel View gauge. That'll tell you your hours, your system checks, temperatures, speed, everything that you might need it to tell you. Forward on the console, we have 2 great cup holders right up here. It's right in our reach's distance. We have a compass and a 12-volt outlet. This boat is also equipped with the fishing package. The fishing package gives you a nice tackle box on the side of the console here. It also gives you a good backrest and a seat to put an extra person or 2. You also get these 4 console-mounted rod holders and a built-in cooler. Put drinks, food. Moving forward to the bow, this is part of the 4.5 seating package. You have this 2-piece bow cushion set. Under the 2-piece bow cushion set, we have a fish locker that is self-draining, so you can use it as a fish locker with some ice, or you can throw some food, drinks in there. When the ice melt, you don't have to worry about getting the water out. It just goes right overboard. Under the second piece of the bow cushion, we have our anchor locker. Also self-draining, so gets a little wet in there, it's going to drain right out. This boat is also equipped with the full rail package, which gets you the aft high rails and the split bow rail. Overall, this is a great boat for a family to go out, spin around the islands, do some coastal fishing, go up rivers. With the bow rails, it is safe, so it gives you a little bit of peace of mind as a parent about your child's safety as well. If you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 17 Montauk, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to have you down and check it out.